I have poured some champagne colored foil in clear resin and I am going to pour it in the two corners of this coaster. I have used 2 by 1 resin and about 75 grams of it. And now I will pour colored resin in the middle. You can get any colored resin. I have poured purple. I have mixed some purple mica powder with clear resin, mixed it thoroughly for 2 to 3 minutes so that no unmixed lumps are there, and then I'm just pouring that in the middle. Always remember to wear your gloves and respirator while working with resin. Now I am again pouring it in the corners so that it stays balanced. Make sure your surface is leveled before you start making. And like this I will keep pouring until the resin fills up to the top, but not to the complete top because I want to leave place for the top coat, and I will also be sticking acrylic name on it, so we want some empty space in the mold. Also always keep some plastic or silicone sheet beneath the mold so that there are no spills. Here I am using a 5-inch coaster mold. Just look at the amazing pattern the mica powder is already creating. So now we will cover it and let it rest up to 12 hours and then the top coat will be done. So this is the final result. Hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe to my channel.